presentation. It's amazing to see how far we've come and the memories we've created along the way. Your words have painted a vivid picture of our shared experiences, and we are reminded of the bonds that have made us who we are today.
Indeed, Bram. The class history is not just a recount of events. It's a celebration of the friendships, challenges, and triumphs that have shaped us.
Next, we have the class will and testament, a tradition where the seniors pass on their legacy to the juniors. Let's welcome Faisa Marie Arboleda, a grade 12 HTA student, to present the class will and testament.
Esteemed faculty, cherished achievers, and honored guests, good evening. As I stand before you on this unforgettable evening, my heart is overflowing with gratitude and pride. This moment, standing on the edge of new beginnings, brings both reflection and anticipation. Our journey has been more than just a passage of time. It's been a beautiful blend of laughter, struggles, and growth. Every lesson learned, every friendship formed, and every challenge faced together has shaped the essence of who we are. Through it all, we've built something truly special, a bond that will last far beyond the walls of Immaculate Heart Academy. Now, with deep love and reverence for all we've shared, I present to you the culmination of our collective journey, the class will and testament of 2024 to 2025. A heartfelt tribute to our legacy and the memories that will forever live in our hearts. The leadership skills possessed by Viviana Ruth Labe and Mark Alistair Dinopo are entrusted to the capable hands of Bea Marie Rodriguez, Cole Allen Bailey, and J.M. Alcantara. The resplendent charm and striking grace of Kendra Francesca Navarro and Princess Janira Saicon shall be passed down to Shaina Zerna and Rose Ann Torres. The effervescent and glossy crowning glories of Adana Marie Pada and Natalia Maria Andrea Reyes will be inherited by Margaret Buenavista and Eliza Marie Apuni. The whirling baton of Sofia Ann Reyes, Virgin May Bastona, and Marina Sofia Cañaveral shall be gracefully conveyed to the air, Ivana Louise Samantha Ria. The angelic and heavenly presence of Pauline Catada shall be ceremonially handed to Shama Ur. The radiant moranic charms of Angela Katapunan, Joanna Marie Torres, Rina Sofia Cañaveral, Pia Angela Galina, Curly Guevara, Christine May Pagayaw, and Fortrea Manantil will be gifted to Persia Ann Espinas, Ria Lynn Cañolas, Bea Marie Rodriguez, Jamaica Brava, Ayana Filosofo, Pearl Chelsea Lumacao, and Ivana Louise Samantha Ria. The ultimate trio of Christian Dale Lucete, Sandra Reyes, and Jared Rayoso is distinctly remarked for Sergeant Daniel Boliviano, Daniel Pachimarca, and Nabor J.I. Fernandez. The glamorous eyes of Danica Zoraine Remilia, Giselle May Torres, and Althea Lee Custodio shall be passed along to Donnie Ann Alabar, Kersha Ann Espinas, and Kathleen Ordono. The petite powerhouses, Shane Gutib, Natalia Maria Andrea Reyes, Sandy Toroy, and Maria Martisa Gunot shall be taken on by Kathleen Ordono, Margaret Buenavista Christian Dale Losete, and Nino Villaflores shall be entrusted to Fritz Gerald Judicial, J.M. Alcantara, Ivan Ulis, and King Maynard Hermoso. The social magnetism of Isaiah Andrew Lavidia, Jeff Nicole Saicon, Prince Robert Person, and John Denver Alawan will be inherited by Ivan Ulis, Hart Torres, Gerald Sigasig, James Russell Colina, Mark Bermeo. The gift of silver tongue allure, carried by Jersel May Torres and Mark Alistair Dinopo, will be handed down to J.M. Alcantara and Shama Hood. The boundless energy radiating from Ashton Jeff Javier, Wayne Walter Vallega, Kyle Catalan, Joshua Barrera, Syed Evans Canada, Herman Joseph Hustler, Eugene Elpada, John Andrew Aguilar, and Mar Andre Catala will be joyously inherited by King Maynard Hermoso, Terence Rudick, Ivan Ulis, Angelo Seth Naka, Jokoro Andalahal, Raver Torres, Zion Cal Rodriguez, and Prince Balagara. The captivating vocal artistry of Jennifer Love Sarabia, Brand Matthew Kaluntang, Reina Sofia Cañaveral, and Maria Cristina Guevara will be passed to Regina Kate Sido, Ria Lynn Canyolas, Sofia Margaret Lisondra, Rochelle Manakil, and Sabine Gabasa. The exceptional journalistic talents of Jessica Eloisa Nadia, Reynaldo Cruz Isoyo, and Zephaniah Kate Lara shall be rightfully passed on to J.M. Alcantara and Cole Allen Bailey. The distinctive choreography of Mark Alistair Dinopo will be handed over to Ayana Filosofo and Shaya Zerman. The basketball mastery of John Gabriel Perpetua, tennis Valerie Maceda, Archel Amor, Joshua Barrera, and Kyson Kim Rial will be handed down to Gerald Sigasig, Terence Whitten, Hart Torres, Nabor James Fernandez. The majestic handwriting of Maria Cristina Guevara, Erica May John, and Rihanna Boban will be handed down to Pearl Chelsea Lamao and Cole Allen Pugh. The illustrious early birds, Brand Matthew Kalumba, Team Eric Ampara, and Danica Zoraine Cornelia, will be passed down to Kathleen Orgonio, Rochelle Manakil, and Sabine Gabasa. The infectious joy and carefree spirit of Anne-Marie Rivera, Virginie Bastona, and Maria Mortiza Gunan will be merrily embraced by Nicole Kapanay and Elaine Barrera. The thunderous matches wielded by Matt Andre Eusebio, Fortea Manakil, Francis Vince Torres, Clive Owen Manakil, and Sandra Reyes will be passed on to Cole Allen Bailey, Paolo Baco, and Kent Manakil. The spiking power of Christian Dale Losete, Eric Camila John, Mark Alistair Dinopo, Rochelle Bahandi, Brent Matthew Kalumpang, Danica Zoraine Cornelia, and Sofia Ann Reyes will continue to blaze in the hands of Jamaica Brava, Ayana Filosofo, Pearl Chelsea Lumamao, Rochelle Manakil, Lord Abakay, and James Russell Colina. The vibrant and chatty personality of Vice Marie R. Arboleda will be joyfully entrusted to Ayana Filosofo. The mathematical expertise and intellectual brilliance of Chris Angelo Vera, Isaac I.C. Oga, and Ernie Kapanay will be passed on to Jacob Bengochea, J.M. Alcantara, Mary Bernice Bruce, Kirsha Ann Espinas, and Ashley Nicole Faville. The extraordinary artistic powers of Zephaniah Kate Barrett will be inherited by Ria Lynn Canyolas and Cole Allen Bailey. The refined etiquette and exemplary conduct of Kyra James Hana, Arn Chester Malto, John Vincent Dinhall, Joseph John Garrett, and Adrian Layasmi will be turned over to Ivan Ulis, Hart Torres, and Silver Fernandez. The cautious spirit upheld by Emmanuel John Aguilar, Maria Justine Vera, Viviana Ruth Grave, Maria Valerie Manahan, Dave Santino Manakil, grade 11 students as they step into a year filled with dreams that fill within their reach. The warmth of friendship and shared experience wrap around them, reminding them that they are never alone on this journey. Each challenge is a lesson. Each step is a triumph. And together they will create memories that will forever hold the magic of brighter days ahead. In the spirit of warmth and friendship, we, the graduating batch of 2024 to 2025, joyfully pass on our unbreakable bond to the grade 11 students, with the hope that you will carry forward the spirit of unity, love, and laughter that has filled our hearts during our time together. As we near the end of our journey at the Immaculate Heart Academy, we, as a batch, want to express our deepest gratitude to our beloved alma mater and to the incredible faculty and staff who have nurtured us every step of the way. Thank you for guiding us, for believing in us, and for making IHA a place like home. To the grade 11 students, we don't just want you to follow in our footsteps, but we hope you'll walk beside us, creating your own beautiful story while keeping the love and joy we've shared alive. Think of our journey as a sweet melody that we hope will inspire you to add your own notes, creating a song that will echo for the years to come. Though our time together here may be coming to a close, the memories we've made will forever stay in our hearts, and a piece of us will always be a part of the Immaculate Heart Academy family. And to my partner, Fritz General, thank you for tonight. Or should I say, I'm gonna stay behind high, where our spirits will never say goodbye. Thank you and have a lovely evening, everyone.
Thank you. Gonna be on YouTube.
Thank you, Faisa, for the heartfelt presentation. Now, let's take a moment to enjoy a special intermission performance by Sophia Canyaveral and Brent Kalumpang. Let's give them